Hey friends, so you try to open your computer and boom, the famous blue screen pop-ups, or maybe you open a game or a software and suddenly the screen goes blue like ocean on a windy day. Don't panic, don't throw your computer out the window, because today I'm going to show you the 4 real reasons why this happened and how to fix each one like a tech ninja. Stay with me till the end because every step matters. Now let's jump in to quickly solve this problem. Did you recently install new RAM, or maybe you added a new hard drive? If yes, your system might be confused like, bro, who is this new guy you plug into me? To fix it, shut down your PC, open it carefully, remove the new hard drive and install it again properly. If it still doesn't work, sadly that new hard drive might be damaged. But don't worry, we still have more solutions. Sometimes Windows gets tired and its file gets messed up. The good news is we can repair them. Here is how. Restart your system. Once it boots normally, press the window key and type reset this PC. Go to advanced startup and click start now. Your system will enter the advanced boot menu. Click troubleshoot. Next click on advanced option. Here select command prompt. Now type this powerful command sfc /scan now. This will fix corrupted file. It may take 5 to 6 minutes, so don't go anywhere. After that, type this command chkdsk/f/r/c : hit enter and relax for 15 to 20 minutes while it scans and repair your drive. When it's finished, type exit, press enter, then click continue. Your system should open normally again. Sometimes we install something so heavy that our PC is like, bro, I can't lift this. I have weak arms. If your blue screen started right after installing a game or software, then simply uninstall it. Your PC will instantly breathe again. If your CPU usage shoots up to very high level, Windows gets stressed and show the blue screen. It's like your computer saying, please, I need a break. To fix this, remove the apps or programs that are too heavy for your system. Once your CPU relaxes, the blue screen goes away. And that's it, my friend. These are the 4 main reasons why you see the blue screen and how to fix them easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon so you don't miss more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching. Take care of your PC and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.